Portfolio optimization with the GeWorko method. Find a recipe for your optimal investment. Searching for an optimal portfolio and its structure is not an easy task. Its characteristics of assets and individual constraints are important when creating an optimal portfolio strategy. However, thanks to modern financial theory and the revolutionary GeWorko method, this process has become significantly simplified. An active portfolio management strategy implies finding a set of assets that can systematically outperform the market while meeting investors' needs and being respectful of their constraints. Now with the GeWorko method, you'll help create some investment alternatives from the 6 selected stocks that would be ideal for different types of risk-return profiles. The maximum return per unit of risk, also known as the Sharpe ratio, can be considered a criterion for an optimal portfolio. The optimization procedure for the selected stocks leads to the first set of weight coefficients. The portfolio structure known as a tangency portfolio provided the highest realized risk-return ratio among all possible portfolios. Consisting of the 6 selected stocks, and the chart built with the GeWorko method illustrates its performance in relation to the Dow Jones Index. Achieving the highest possible return for a given maximum acceptable level of risk can serve as another criterion of optimality. Maximization of the realized return at the level of risk would lead to another set of weight coefficients. The new portfolio showed a higher historical return compared to the previous one, and the chart built with the GeWorko method clearly confirms that along with the return. The volatility of the portfolio has increased as well, as evidenced by stronger fluctuations of its relative value. If the optimization problem is minimizing the risk, this solution leads to a new portfolio structure known as the minimum variance portfolio. This portfolio is characterized by the least possible realized standard deviation of return among all portfolios, consisting of the same set of stocks. The chart obtained with the GeWorko method shows how smooth the portfolio's performance looks now, a direct consequence of risk reduction. Take the advantages of the GeWorko method to create portfolios under your individual investment preferences. Perform full-scale graphical analysis and compare your portfolio to any investment alternative. Find a recipe for your optimal investment with the GeWorko method.